Ready for it? The new roundabout. And this is what always gets any trucks. Let's turn one way and turn the other way and turn the other way again. And this one is all offset. Why? Because what was to our left back there is government ground. They couldn't take any of that. They had to take it all out of private ground. But all the roundabouts around here have these funky S-turns coming in. It's to slow them down. Yeah. But you get it turned so hard, you go one way then the other. You're hell on loads of hay and container trucks.
Come on, dude.
God knows they don't want to have anybody hauling hanging meat because they'd be laying over too. And they've laid fertilizer trucks over another good one because most of them are top heavy. Anyway, there's my rant.
The speed is faster than 33 miles an hour. I just want you to know.
We've been following this guy. Come out of the nursery at the end of our road. He could either turn into another nursery halfway to where we are, or I bet he's going to turn up here in about another quarter mile, because there's another nursery back there. It's all the same outfit. Anyway, going to get my back cracked.
Taking my appointment, bastard.
She says I'm taking her appointment only because they called and said we got a gap, so she's going to take my appointment, which is next week.
I think they're both under my name because I don't think they pay attention.
I'm pretty sure they're both under Becky's name, but that's okay.
It don't matter.
They love me anyway. Oh look, we're back to this. Yeah, the road used to be clear over there. But, you know, you can see they're not overly conducive for trucks. And this is the main truck route. That comes in straight, but God knows we couldn't move over into there at all. But it's open finally. It'd be nice if they repave everything they've screwed up, but it's rough. Anyway, this is our day.
I got told he can't do anything the rest of the day.
I'm not supposed to do anything the rest of the day. If anything, I'm supposed to lay down and
Heat his back.
put some heat on my
So
back.
if anybody wants to talk to him, today's the day to do it. Of course, he's not going to put this video up till afterwards.
My wife is quick. You can talk to me today, but you're not going to know about it until tonight.
Right, never mind. That won't work.
That just means I got to hope somebody's going to feed for me tonight.
Yay, I get to feed for him tonight.
Although, you know, I'll probably still get those lights up, I hope.
No, you're not going to do anything.
She says no.
Let that back heal.
It's going to drive me crazy. Oh well. We'll see what I do. There's one. I did get the boxes up before lunch. And then I was very sore for lunch. Currently very sore right now too. I think I got that aimed so it's pretty much right there with the main one. And about there with that side one. About there with that side one, I think. No more when it's dark. Now I gotta get this one up. And damn, this was one of those times when you go to the chiropractor and you're 10 times worse for the rest of the day. Doesn't help standing on one step to do this and everything's over my head. But now I'm going to do this one. Yay! And my plan is, and the biggest reason why I had to level that, is I want the main one shining that way. And then the one little one can shine the lawn, and the other one can shine over here. That's my plan. I mean, right below me, the one on the switch, well, the one that's switched by itself, I should say. It covers that, and like that, and the next one over, by the sliding glass door, covers everything else. And these two are on switches together. There's either 3 or 4 switches, I don't remember. I think it's wired, one in the master bedroom, one in the dining room, and the one downstairs by the back door, I think. So, anyway, Quite the view from here without that tree there anymore. With that tree, it was all you could do to see through there. And basically over here. Oh well, I'm going to do this, and I think I'm going to find a heating pad, because she told me you're going to want to spend most of the rest of the day with some heat on your back. I'm like, I'm not going to argue. I do still need to get on the skid steer and do some things, but that may not happen until it might be raining in the morning. We'll see. Well, that one works anyway. And I lied. There must only be 2 switches. One in the master bedroom and one right inside that door. Because there's not one over there by that door up above. Could have swore there. Well, there's a switch in the right place, but it's to the light over the bar. And that one up there's on too. What do you know? I'm just seeing if they're somewhere close to how I want them aimed. Seems to be pretty close. Because right there, the little one's blinding me. Which is about how I wanted it aimed. And yeah, right here, there's where the big one's getting me. And the other little one should be aimed over here. Yeah, right about here. Lights the walkway in this up. Of course, that one, the motion light, should light all this up before you need that one, but you know, improvements, I hope. I have 2 more of those. Well, one of those and 1 motion light to put up yet. One of those is going to go right above my skid steer. There's a double floodlight. Center of the opening up there. There's one on that back wall too, but this one here is the easier one to get to now. And there's a motion light at the back barn. So when you go out in the dark to feed, it turns on so you can see where you're going when you get there. And that bang, if you heard it, there's still apples in that old apple tree. They're still falling. They hit something. Balin's a good boy. Balin doesn't go far. Bandito, yes. Bandit lives up to his name. He's a bandit. Takes off. And Ghost, well, Ghost takes off with Bandit. Oh, get off me, dogs. I let them out of there. Figured they'd play for a bit. Well, Bandit and Ghost, they went around that way and behind the house, behind the garage up there somewhere. Had to go get the ringy-dingies and wake them up. And I was just looking through my videos I took today. I didn't get rid of the clips from yesterday, so I was getting rid of those, and I went 1 or 2 too far. I wiped out this morning's video. So, it happens. I don't know what they're all. Bicycle is coming by, that's what they're looking at. At least they're better than Blue. They're just looking, they're not barking at it yet. I don't think I got any of Blakely today. Should have. She was in a pretty good mood most of the day. Getting better and better at talking. Getting worse at getting her diaper changed sometimes. But she's had some nasty poopy ones and bad diaper rash going, so, you know, I understand that. Ty already left. Left too early to feed, of course. She went up over the hill. One of the far as I know, the only dairy supply guy around. He raises Angus, but he sells dairy supplies. He's the one we get our powdered colostrum from and milk replacer, and until recently we could get that stuff to treat mastitis from him too, but yeah, you know, they keep changing the laws, so now he can't sell it to us. Well, now we have to get our sniff at, which, I think I mentioned it before, the nice thing about our vet is our vet's not making a killing by peddling it to us. They get their discount on it, and, you know, they add enough to be able to handle it and do the paperwork and not get rich off of it. So in reality, the new floor and the Baytril and the Banamine we get from them, Banamine we can get anywhere, but the antibiotics, you know, we get most of our stuff from them, just because we can't get anywhere else any cheaper. I know I'm a little shaky. I hurt. It was one of those visits that after the fact you hurt like hell. I think I already mentioned that too, but who knows. So anyway, I'm not looking forward to feeding tonight. I'm really not looking forward to feeding. Yeah, Becky's inside right behind me getting bills paid. I think she's down to the last few. I think. Now we're gonna play. And yeah, I haven't got this crap out of the way yet. Those all get squished down and put in the dumpster, and I think that's a set of shells. I think that's going in the grain bin with the other two sets that are down there, and I don't know where that's going. Not here anyway. I was really hoping to show you a video of them playing. Anyway, at least I got the lights done today, not in the rain. Don't know when I'm going to get to the others. At some point, Becky wants to, I think she's going to have them deliver them though. She wanted to get them today. The cabinets like we got beside the refrigerator. She's going to get two narrower ones that will go where we got the cow medicine. And two more that are going to go in the hallway by the bathroom to replace what was there. What was there was only 12-inch deep, and she's getting two 18 by 18s. They'll fit in the same place and be at least half again more storage. Probably more than that because they're taller too. They just gotta sneak out there as far as they can get. I should zoom in so you can see them, right? Not that I can see the screen because the sun's in my eyes. Becky and I were out there last night. The pups went up by the dumpster and all ran around up there, and then Ghost disappeared. Ghost likes to go in the bay below the shop, or he'll do the same thing and disappear over here, and I think the second bay down. It's kind of where he comes from. Can't see with everything parked there. They're getting far enough that they need to come back. You know what I mean? So we'll give Ghost a little beepies, and he's ignoring me. So we'll vibrate his neck. He decided he didn't like that. Bandit's down on the other side of the dumpster. He decided he'd listen to the beep, though. He walks like he doesn't even weigh anything. And there's Bandit. Thump, 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 thump. Good boys. Anyway, I don't know if I'll get you on my video or not. So, thank you for watching. Hope you all had a great Thursday, and hope everybody has a great Friday. And Blue, shut up. Hope to God I feel better in the morning.